नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु मु ज्ञान रंजन स्वागत करको फाइट फॉर एग्जाम यूट्यूब चैनल को। आज आम डिस्कसन करवा इंपोर्टेंट साइंस क्वेश्चन फॉर डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिटिव बहुत गुड़े कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम आसी से कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम मान इंपोर्टेंट बछा बछा क्वेश्चन आज आम डिस्कसन करवा इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम। आ गोटे खुश खबर आरआरबी एनटीपीसी आ ग्रुप डी एग्जाम डेट अनाउंस हो जाए डिसेम्बर 15 तारीख आरंभ हो। तेणु आपण प्रिपेरेसन को बुस्ट करिवारे एटा होजी गोटे अन्य एक सफल प्रयास। चलंतु आरंभ करिया आज क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, temperature of a distant luminous body can be determined by option 1 mercury thermometer, b gas thermometer, c pyrometer, d color thermometer. So correct option is pyrometer. So option number C is the correct answer. Temperature of a distant luminous body can be determined by pyrometer. So option number C is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 2. Energy travels from the sun to the earth through option 1 conduction, B convection, C radiation, D modulation. So correct answer is radiation. In the process of transfer of heat in process of radiation, there is no medium required. So 8 minutes 8 seconds approximately lage. Go to next question. Question number 3. If electric resistance is to be decreased, then number of resistance should be connected in option 1 series, B parallel, C mixed, D all of the above. So if electric resistance is to be decreased, then the number of resistance should be connected in parallel. Option number B is the correct answer. So we have to connect it in parallelly. Go to next question. Which among the following components is used as amplifying device? Which among the following components is used as amplifying device? Option A transformer, B diode, C capacitor, D transistor. So correct answer is a transistor is a semiconductor device used as an amplifying device. So correct option is D transistor. Go to next question. Question number 5. The unit of measurement of noise. The unit of measurement of noise. Option 1 decibel, B hertz, C amplifier, D Newton. So correct answer is decibel. Decibel is the unit of measurement of noise. Go to next question. Question number 6. Full form of CFL. What is the full form of CFL? Option 1 compact fluorescent lamp, B centrally fixed lamp, C chemically fluorescent lamp, condensed fluorescent lamp. So correct answer is compact fluorescent lamp. Option A is the correct answer. So CFL is a compact fluorescent lamp. Full form. CFL uses significantly less energy than traditional light bulbs, that is 75% less, 75% less कम बिजली इस्तेमाल करे. Go to next question. Sky is blue because options are 1 blue color in sunlight is more than other colors, B short waves are scattered more than long waves by atmosphere, C blue color is more observing to eyes, D atmosphere observes long wavelength more than short wavelength. So blue light, which has the least wavelength of all visible radiation, is scattered most. The blue appear of the sky due to scattering of sunlight from atmosphere. Light of shorter wavelength is scattered by air molecules, which because of their smaller size follow relay scattering. Blue light is strongly scattered by the air molecules and reach the observer. This explains the blue color of the sky. So correct option is B. Shorter waves are scattered more than long waves by atmosphere. Go to next question. Question number 8. The change of focal length of an eye lens is caused by the action of option A, pupil, B, retina, C, ciliary muscle, D, iris. The eye lens is composed of a fibrous jelly-like material. Its curvature can be modified to some extent by ciliary muscles. The change in the curvature of the eye lens can thus change its focal length. When the muscles are relaxed, the lens becomes thin, thus its focal length increases. This enables us to see the distant object clearly. So correct answer is ciliary muscle. Option number C is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 9. Wavelength used for a communication. Wavelength used for communication are option 1 A, visible light, B, infrared, C, microwave, D, all of the above. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared and visible light can all be used for communication. Radio waves are used to transmit television and radio programs. Microwaves are used to transmit satellite television and for mobile phones. So correct answer is all of the above. D is the correct answer. Go to next question. A dynamo which is said to generate electricity actually acts as a option 1 source of iron, B source of electric charge, C converter of energy, D source of electron. So a dynamo which is also known as electrical generator produces direct current through a commutator. It is basically a device which converts mechanical rotation into electric current according to Faraday's law. So correct option is converter of energy. Option number C is the correct answer. Go to next question. Name the source from which aspirin is produced. Aspirin is produced. Option 1 willow bark, B oak tree, C acacia, D eucalyptus. The ancient Egyptians used to willow bark to produce aspirin as a remedy for aches and pains. So correct answer is willow bark. Option A is the correct answer. Go to next question. The acid present in lemon. Option A phosphoric acid, B carbonic acid, C citric acid, D malic acid. So citric acid. Option C is the correct answer, that is present in the lemon. Go to question number 13. The conversion of hard water to soft water by boiling or adding calcium hydroxide is called which process? 1 Becker's process, B Thames process, C Clark process, D Laques process. So Clark's method is a process for large scale removal of temporary hardness from water. Clark's process involves the addition of a controlled quality of slacked lime. So Clark process is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. The conversion of hard water to soft water by boiling or adding calcium hydroxide is called Clark's process. Go to next question. Question number 14. Concentration of water vapor in troposphere. Option A 0 to 4%, B 10 to 14%, C 20 to 24%, D 30 to 34%. So correct answer is 0 to 4%. Water vapor is a unique in that its concentration varies from 0 to 4% of the atmosphere depending on time of day. So correct answer is 0 to 4%. Option A is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 15. First country to impose carbon tax is option A Australia, B Iceland, C New Zealand, D USA. So New Zealand is the first country to impose carbon tax. So option C is the correct answer. Go to next question. Which drug is used as anti-inflammatory? Option 1 metformin, B diazepam, C lactanoprost, D prednisone. So correct answer is prednisone drug is used as anti-inflammatory drug. It is used to treat number of different conditions such as inflammation, that is swelling, severe allergy, adrenal problem, arthritis, asthma, blood or bone marrow problems, endocrine problems, eye or vision problems, stomach or bowel problems, lupus, skin condition, kidney problem, ulcerative colitis, and flare of multiple sclerosis. So correct answer is prednisone. Go to next question. Adding which substance gives blue color to the glass? So option 1 manganese oxide, B cobalt oxide, C chromium oxide, D iron oxide. So correct option is cobalt oxide. Option B is the correct answer. Cobalt oxide. If I add cobalt oxide in the glass, it will give blue color. Go to next question. Question number 18. The OH bond in CH3OH. 3 The cobalt bond in CH3OH is option A polar covalent, B ionic, C non-polar covalent, D cationic. The OH bond in CH3OH is polar covalent. So correct option is A. Go to next question. Question number 19. Which of the following is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Which of the following is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria is the correct answer. आपण माने जानि छन्ते एटा बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. ATP is the energy currency of the cell. Go to next question. The hormone that stimulate heartbeat. The hormone that stimulate heartbeat. Options are thyroxine, gastrin, glycogen, dopamine. So you know thyroxine hormone can increase the heartbeat. Its principal function is to stimulate the consumption of oxygen and thus the metabolism of all the cells and tissue in the body. So correct answer is thyroxine. Option number A is the correct answer. এই ଥିଲା ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍ ଭାବରେ ଆଜିର ଏହି କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍ ଭାବରେ 20-25ଟି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଆପଣ 20ରୁ କେତେ ମାର୍କ ରଖିଲେ ଆପଣ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ କମେଣ୍ଟ ବକ୍ସରେ ଲେଖି ପଠାନ୍ତୁ। ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଆମର ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ ଫାଇଟ୍ ଫର୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍କୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ଯଥାଶୀଘ୍ର କରିନିଅନ୍ତୁ, ତାଫଳରେ ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ରିସେଣ୍ଟ ଅପଡ଼େଟ୍ ଆସିବ ଆପଣମାନେ ପାଇପାରିବେ। ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍। ଏତିକି କହି ମୁଁ ରଖୁଛି। ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦିନଟି ଶୁଭ ଏବଂ ମଙ୍ଗଳମୟ ହେଉ। ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ।